Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of Well Prepared Man, and I hope everyone's well and good. Roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna unbox a pair of Rayban Clubrounds. So the main reason why I got these glasses is because my family was ripping into me this summer for wearing €5 glasses. And there's nothing wrong with €5 glasses, at least the ones that I've got on right now. The lenses actually feel okay. And my grandfather goes, "Why the fuck you wearing cheap glasses?" I don't know, I did a women's voice. He's a dude. "Why the fuck you wearing cheap glasses?" Anyway, I ordered these off of Vinted. The box looks pretty new to me, but we don't really care about the box. At least I don't. I'm more bothered about the glasses. Anyway, let's open this up and see what we're dealing with. Ooh, they look beautiful, man. I'm just gonna have a proper look here at the lenses. No, they don't appear to be scratched. Okay. So this is what we are dealing with, ladies and gentlemen. They feel kind of the same. No. So I'm just trying to see the difference between my old glasses and my new glasses. And my old glasses appear to be lighter than Rayban. Anyway, what have we got? On this side, we got a bunch of numbers. I'm gonna show you guys this. So my camera won't focus, but this is the name of the brand, Rayban. Here we got Made in Italy, and then we got CE, which I got no clue what it stands for. And that's pretty much all we get here on this side. On this side, I believe we got some sort of model number, which we don't give two clicks about. And then there's something here, which my camera will not focus. Help me, dude. Help me be successful. Which says 51 square 19. No clue what that means, but it's here. Something that I like about these glasses is the color combination. It's one of the main reasons why I got them. And the fact that they're a little bit better built than my €5 glasses. And when I mean a little bit, I mean a lot. Just look here in the corner here at this piece, right? This will do if you're in need of sunglasses. But this here, this is what quality material looks like. This, you can feel it, and the way it folds, man. The way these glasses fold, you can feel that it's a quality material. Just gonna show you guys a difference here. I dropped the case. This feels like a smoother operation of the, whatever you call this thing. In Portuguese is hastes. I really like these accented bits here in gold. This actually makes for a stylish detail. You got the gold here, you got the gold around the frame, and you got the gold here in the center. And yeah, you can see that the person who designed these had style. Even the inside bits are gold. And the bits that go on your nose, I should really learn what you call these in English. Anyway, I bought these for €30 and I'm gonna try them on. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the beginning of a new era in Santa's Creative Network. Let's call it a more successful one. Man, I'm actually excited to be alive right now. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me up until the very end. I want to thank you for subscribing, for sharing the love, and all those things that make YouTube a place to be. So, without any delays, I'm going to love you and leave you to have the rest of an amazing day. This is your boy, Login, out. Peace!